Good morning. I am Devasena. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about ad hoc on-demand distance vector protocol (AODV) protocol. This topic is present in the subject ad hoc and wireless sensor networks. Ad hoc on-demand distance vector routing protocol (AODV). This AODV protocol is an example for the reactive routing protocol. The reactive routing protocols are also called as on-demand routing protocols. In this type of routing protocols, each node determines the routing path whenever it is ready for transmitting data to other node in the network. Unlike proactive routing protocols, no node maintains a routing table. Routing paths are discovered only when required, that is, on demand. Ad hoc on-demand distance vector routing protocol is one of the reactive or on-demand routing protocols used widely in mobile ad hoc networks. As DSR protocol, AODV protocol also operates on two phases, namely route discovery and route maintenance mechanism. The major difference between DSR and AODV protocols are: in AODV, the source route will not carry the complete path. Each node only knows its previous hop and next hop information of the established path. Route discovery in AODV routing protocol. In AODV, each node maintains a routing cache to save the information about the reachable destinations. When a node wants to transmit a packet to the destination, the sender node initiates to broadcast the route request packet RREQ packet. All the neighboring nodes receive the RREQ packet and rebroadcast if it is not the intended recipient. The RREQ packet contains the following information. First is, it has to maintain the ID of the source node, then it has to maintain the ID of the destination node, it has to keep the most recent sequence number, it has to maintain the broadcast ID, it has to maintain hop count, and it has to maintain time to live duration. Each broadcast packet contains broadcast ID. The hop count is the number of hops the packet passes through to discover the destination. If any one of the neighboring nodes which had received the route request packet and knows the path for destination, then it sends RREP packet through a selected path to the sender node. Otherwise, the neighbor node rebroadcasts the RREQ packet. Broadcasting RREQ packet in AODV protocol. Consider that node A wants to send a packet to node H. Here is the representation of the node A. The node A wants to send the packet to the destination node H. Let us discuss the operation. Now, the node A initiates broadcasting route request RREQ packet. Node B and node C are the neighbors of node A and received the request packet RREQ. If node B and node C has route information of node H, then it replies node A with RREP packet. Otherwise, node B and node C will rebroadcast the RREQ packet, which is shown here. Finally, node H receives more number of route request packets through different paths. In general, a shortest path will be selected to route the RREP packet. This is indicated here. When the RREP sends back to the sender node A, all the intermediate nodes on the path will update their routing cache with the reachable destination information. Figure B shows the transmission of RREP packet from node H to the source node A. Receiving of RREP packet. Once the sender node receives RREP packet, then it saves the route in the cache and starts to send the packet to the destination through the established path. Unlike DSR, in AODV, each node does not store the complete path required for data transmission. Instead, each node stores only the next hop information of the established path. The routing packets are transmitted by specifying sequence numbers to indicate the freshness of the packet. Phase 2, route maintenance, sending route error RERR packet. When a node moves away or fails from the established path, then the broken path has to be intimated by sending route error RERR packet to the sender node. RERR message can also be sent when a node has no route or if the node cannot communicate with its neighbors.
Thank you very much for listening this lecture. For further updates, kindly subscribe this channel. If you like this video means kindly share this video to your friends. Thank you.